Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song Together by For King and Country. As usual, I'm going to play through the song for you first, and then after I play through it, I'm going to break it down for you and explain it to you in more detail. So stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and play through the song.
This is for the busted heart. This is for the question mark. This is for the outcast soul, lost control, no one knows. Singing for the can't go back. Singing for the broken path. Singing for the just found out life is now upside down. If you're looking for hope tonight, raise your hand. If you're feeling alone and don't understand, if you're fighting in the fight of your life, then stand. Gonna make it through this hand in hand. And when we were born together, together. Yeah, we were born together, together. This is for the second chance. This is for the new romance. Singing for the love in vain overcame. It's not too late. If you're looking for hope tonight, raise your hand. If you're feeling alone and don't understand, if you're fighting in the fight of your life, then stand. We're gonna make it through this hand in hand. And where we were born together, together. Yeah, we will rise together.
Alright, this song is nice and simple. We're only going to be using 4 chords from the G chord family. We're going to have the E minor chord, C add 9 chord, the G chord, and D over F sharp. So we have E minor 7, C add 9, G, D over F sharp. In that order, each chord is going to last for 1 measure, and that's the entire song. Now for strumming, we're going to be using the hyperdrive pattern, which is an 8-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 8 down strums, and then at the end, after beat 8, we're going to throw in an up strum, and then we're going to repeat that pattern. Now what's very important for this pattern is the emphasis, where we're going to put the emphasis on which beats. So we need to emphasize or strum harder on beats 1, 4, and 7. So I'm going to hold the G chord, for instance, and I'm just going to play through that strum pattern so you can hear what it should sound like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. If it helps, you can always practice the strum pattern like that by itself, and even saying the beats out loud so that all of your attention is just on that strum pattern until you can get your mind around it and have it fully understood and set to memory before you then try to add the melody and singing on top of it. All right, I hope you found this lesson useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.